Well, hey everybody, today is Kubota BX maintenance day. Considering it's raining, well, it was raining, now it's blue sky out, so I guess hurry up and finish this and get back to it. Found out a few interesting things, doing oil change and so forth, and a few things I'm going to try, so here we go. So, I was at Tractor Supply the other day, found this air filter on clearance for half price, and I thought, damn, it looks just like the BX air filter. That's $15, what the hell, we'll give it a shot. Well, when you open up the county line box, you have a Baldwin box inside. And this is the correct Baldwin number for a Kubota BX air filter. And yeah, that's the old one in the box. I put the new one in, took the one that was in the tractor out, took air blower, blowed it out real good, and stuck it back in here, so I've got a clean spare so I can just swap out for next time. Another one I found on clearance at Tractor Supply was the county line fuel filter. And I popped that open, and inside that box is a Baldwin box. Surprise, surprise. With bx2670. Now, if you have the external fuel filter like this one, then that is the correct Tractor Supply and Baldwin number for this filter cartridge, which changed this one today. It's the first time I've changed it in about 400 hours. Hadn't had any problems, but had a new one, so I thought, what the hell, go ahead and throw a new one in it. And since my hydrostatic fan decided to get in a fight with a stick while I was bush hogging, and, well, it lost, as you all well know. Picked up new fan. I actually bought two of them. There's your Kubota part number. Now, this part number here is, I think, yeah, $7.85 for one fan. If you look up another part number, which is exactly the same fan, I'm not sure what the difference is, it's like $60. Don't know what the difference is, but these, if you look at them in the pictures, are identical. So, I also picked up a couple of CV boots for my prop shaft, considering mine are pretty ragged. I've been just greasing them, the CV joints, with a grease needle. But right now, I don't have the time, nor the current desire, to take this thing apart so I can change these and change the fan. So, I bought two fans, and we're going to try something. I took this fan and put slice in it. So what I'm thinking I can do is take and spread it apart like that, and slip it over the shaft, and then just bolt it back in place. And we'll see what happens. It might last for a while, it might last for a couple minutes and then sling apart because it's got a cut in it. Fuck, I don't know. But for $7, figured I'd take a chance on a 5-minute fix rather than a couple-hour fix. So I'll see what happens there, and I'll report back and let y'all know.